I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install Pygame on Python 3.8 and above, and Python, and all the other Python versions, mostly Python 3. The Python 3 versions. So So first thing that you want to do is obviously open up your terminal or your command prompt, and here, terminal. Next thing, check your Python version. Right, so you can run this by doing Python 3, and as you can see, I'm on Python 3.8, and just exit this. Sorry. So basically, what you want to do for Python 3.8 and above is do Python 3 hyphen m pip install pygame equals 2.0.0 dev 6, right? And then you just run it. And as you can see, it worked because I already have this. Now, this is only if you're on Python 3.8 and above. But if you're on any other Python version, Python 3 version, you would have to do pip install pygame. And now I'm not going to run this because I'm currently on Python 3.8. If I run this, it's going to show me an error. So I'm not going to run this. So yeah, guys, that was really it for today's Pygame installation video, and see you guys next time.